I'm obsessed with this next one. To me, it's going to be the most wonderful way to even decorate with Temp-tations.
Yes.
I mean, how many times could you take your vase or your vase out from underneath wherever you keep them and say to yourself, and now I'm going to take that floral vase and I'm going to entertain with it. I'm just thinking sangria and all kinds of fun things for parties. I couldn't wait for you guys to see this because honestly, I'm almost shaking. I'm so excited. This is the set of 2 straight-sided pitchers. But it's the thing about you, Tara, is you don't use a different material when you get into an unusual shape, so we can still do wildly wonderful things with this.
Of course, and I have to tell you, we launched these earlier today.
Okay.
They've already been, you've been loving these and asking so many questions about them. So yes, this is an updated silhouette. You're gonna hear us saying that a lot as we're celebrating our anniversary, as we're concluding Temp-tations days. I gave you that full length handle that runs the entire length of the pitcher. Why? Because that's 2 quarts. When you hold it, notice I'm not shaking. I have great stability there. They have a beautiful pour spout here. So when you want to pour, you can do that. You're getting the 2 quart. You're also getting, I call it a mini, but it's 28 ounces.
Big.
So whether you're using these for hot beverages, cold beverages, you're using them for entertaining with flowers, these are those key pieces that are a showstopper. I wanted to show it to you here because it gets a little cluttered over there when we start to look at the colors, and I wanted you to really see the beauty.
I'm just thinking, you know, you get out that gooey chocolate cake for the birthday and then put the milk in here and get it cold and bring that cold milk to the table. By the way, before we go through this, gotta let you know, sale price leaving us end of the day. That is in 1 hour.
Oh my
when
gosh.
you look at this, it's like what? Under $17 a present. I've spent more on those dumb vases I'm never going to use for anything else.
And they're
but flowers.
probably clear or glass,
exactly.
and like snooze.
Only order of the year. We're also losing the price and the 5 easy payments at the end of the day. And here's what's left, because earlier today you did sell 1,500 in a previous show.
And we gave it just like a quick little sneak peek. So here, of course, is the red old world. We have your blue old world, and we have your green old world. The confetti I was showing you before. Remember, you're getting both. We're just showing you the 2 quart. Look at how absolutely gorgeous. Like you are in Italy, you've just roamed into a cute little shop and you see this gorgeous iridescent color. Like that's what it just reminds me of, that beautiful floral lace blue. There's that gorgeous holiday red, the softer cranberry, the more like wine color, and the black floral lace. How elegant and sophisticated is that? Confetti also available. And I love, again, all of the detailing, all of that silhouette. Then down here, of course, we have our red doodle.
Can you even with how great that is?
First of all, I think there's so many pieces that take on a certain character. When you see this picture, it is meant to have doodle-doo on it.
It is.
Right?
And then
absolutely.
I'm looking back, one of the few things you can still get in the value of the day is the doodle-doo in the black and the red. So please go back and get yourself that. And then now this is the centerpiece.
And absolutely. There's your black and the doodle-doo. And then I have to brag on this for a minute. I know this completely sold out in our soup and sandwich, but we have the gorgeous Believe in the white pitcher set. All sculptural, the entire piece. We have it in the buttercream, all sculptural, the entire piece. And then, of course, we get to our faves, our woodland. There's your buttercream. So remember, you're getting both. That gorgeous slate blue, that beautiful charcoal gray.
And
I can't even.
We wax poetic a little bit right here. $6.80 a month on Easy Pay. And yes, it is beautiful in the center of the table.
Right.
But it also is functional, food safe, that you can use for any of your liquids. We have an update. 1,000 have been ordered in this show. The white and the Believe just sold out.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
Oh, and the red and doodle-doo just sold out.
See? I love
I'm
that.
getting my steps in this show.
Yeah, you are. David always says he has to wear rubber-soled shoes, whatever that means. I don't know, but you know, I just figured I'd say it. So this could be your mimosas.
There you go.
This could be your Bloody Marys in the morning. This could be the pitcher that you leave with all your fresh sliced fruit in the fridge if you wanted to. Remember, you're getting both of these. Maybe it's mulled cider, right? Look at the mugs from our soup and sandwich that we were just sharing with you. Now, here's what I want to show you. There's 2 quarts of a liquid in here.
Wow.
Do you notice by the way I designed that handle, Jane, I'm able to hold it without a lot of pressure.
That's heavy.
It's very heavy. And that's what we love about it. So that beautiful, warm, multi, remember these can go in the oven, they can go in the microwave if they fit. So you can have hot liquids in here, hot beverages in here.
Right.
And then don't forget, I love the idea of using
That
these
is
as
really cute.
like a little utensil holder.
And then over here,
Flowers.
flowers,
Yes.
flowers. I mean, if
Flowers,
you've got the
flowers.
value of the day, get this to match.
They're
As we
fun.
wrap this up, remind you, it's on sale. That price leaves us in less than an hour now. So does the 5 easy payments. And remember, only order of the year.
Yes.
30